Chapter 1 is titled Knowledge of Law as a Business Asset. One other thing that we're going to be discussing in Chapter 1, and it's going to be in passing, but it's an important aspect, and you'll notice this right in your book. We're dealing with dispute resolution, okay? Alternative dispute resolution, which I call ADR. Okay? Those are the important initials of this. ADR are going to have to be used, and there are 3 key methods of ADR that we're going to be discussing in Chapter 1. The first one is negotiation, something that we do every day, whether we're going in to bargain for the price on a particular good or service, or we're trying to negotiate a dispute that has arisen out of a contract. Even if it's involving simply, if you're selling a piece of fruit and somebody's trying to return the piece of fruit, what's the negotiation? You already ate this piece of fruit, or at least a part of it. You want the entire amount back for this? Negotiation, talking things over and trying to come to some settlement, some understanding is something we're going to be discussing in Chapter 1. Second key concept within ADR is mediation. Mediation involves a third party. Involves somebody who is hired to be a mediator, somebody who is able to sit and hopefully help each person work out their differences. We're going to be discussing that, and we'll be discussing my own experiences in mediation as well as in negotiation. The third key concept that we'll be discussing with regard to ADR is arbitration. Arbitration is not too unlike what we see in a courtroom, and involves an arbiter or an arbitrator who acts like a judge and who makes an ultimate decision as far as who is right, who is wrong, and how much, if it's involving money, is going to exchange hands. Very much like a courtroom, but it's a private court. It's a private judge making these decisions. I'll discuss my experiences with regard to that as well. In particular, my experiences, a lot of arbitration was occurring in a labor and employment context. So we'll get into all of that in Chapter 1 as well.